Alright, so I got this new client of mine. Actually, his son, the first client, his son actually recommended me to him. So this is actually the same problem that the previous laptop I had before in the other video. Hang on, let me just show you. Yeah, so hopefully the camera works a little bit better on this one than the other one. So it has that whole mountable image boot, something or other. Well, anyway, I still have the other one over there. I don't know if you can see it. So over there, waiting for the client. She hasn't picked it up yet, so we'll wait on that. Anyway, here you go. But today I'm going to try a little bit different. Instead of using the Windows XP CD to repair it, I actually got this one in here instead. It's actually called Ultimate CD for Win. It actually has the recovery console within itself, so I'm going to show you that instead. Actually the same thing as the Windows XP, but let me get that in there. It's actually the same thing as the Windows XP. The only difference is this has extra programs for testing memory and whatnot. Oh, don't do this to your computer. Shut down. Alright. So now we're gonna boot into the system and launch the Ultimate Boot CD. Oops, there it is. CD drive. Go to the CD drive. I actually got the CD from a friend. I'll leave a link to their website. See, you have several options. You can either boot into this bootable environment, but we don't want that. We actually want to go into the recovery console for XP. It actually has a Vista one too, so let's just work both. So we're going to start that, and it's going to be exactly the same as if it was running Windows XP. The only difference is instead of giving you the option to install Windows XP on the laptop or computer or whatever, it's going to give you the option just to go straight into recovery console, so you'll be able to see that. And actually, just recently, the Windows 7 version CD just came out a couple months ago or not. I'll actually leave a link of the Windows 7 site to create your own Ultimate Boot CD, but you do need a Windows CD in order to make it work. Without it, you can't make it work. So we'll see. I'll be back, and I'll show you when it's all loaded up. Alright, as you can tell, it'll actually give you the option to install, but if you try to actually install it, it won't do it. So what we're going to do is just simply hit the R key, because this CD does not have the files to actually install it within itself. So, yeah, R. So now it's going to do the same thing as the other one. I believe in order to create this Ultimate Boot CD, you need to have XP Professional or SP Service Pack number 3. Or other than that, it will not work. So right now it's going to send us to this recovery console. And so well, actually the client just texted me saying that I just let him know that it does have a solution to it. So well, I don't know, whatever. That was a big no-no. Oh, anyway, so we're simply going to crap. So this is the nice thing about having a YouTube recording all these problems. Actually, hang on, I'll be back. Yeah, this is the nice thing about recording all the problems on YouTube and just vlogging everything. So I'm just gonna simply, so you don't have to research every single time. Oops, I think I went the wrong way. I don't want that. Oh yeah, it is on the other one. Oops. So let me see. Here's the solution. This is a nice thing, you don't have to research every single time. It actually has the commands in here and everything. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to check the disk first, and we'll fix the boot later. So we're going to see HKDSK, enter. Normally it takes about a couple minutes to fix, so I'll be back as soon as that's finished. Alright, it took about 3 minutes or 4 minutes. I don't know, depends. I don't know how much it took, to be honest. But it actually did find several errors, and it actually fixes some of the errors. But now we're actually going to fix the boot itself. So it's going to be FIX boot to write a new whole boot sector. And so now it's going to ask you for what partition. So just simply hit Y for yes. I think, wait, hang on. Yes, okay. Yep, so it turns out to be corrupt. So it wrote a new one. And now we should be able to boot. In order to exit out of the recovery console, don't hit the power button. Just simply hit right exit to exit out of the recovery console. Let me take out the C so it won't boot out of it either. There you go. Start normally. Hopefully it's not a hardware problem. Let's see. It's usually 10s. So you might never know if you actually fix the problem. So we'll see. I just gotta see that mouse. This is very tense. Come on. Actually, I think this is running on Pentium M mobile, so yeah, it's not quite. That's blurry, isn't it? So I do expect some sort of lag performance on this computer, but unless it's running some sort of malware or something like that. He told me to do a basic virus cleanup as well. Oh, there it is. See, boot went up. All right, so problem solved. Now it's gonna start. Ooh, whoa. XP Professional. See, I don't like that. Alright, so that's client number 3 on my YouTube channel. And I'll keep posting more videos as I keep getting computers. If you have any questions, just leave a comment or rating or whatever you want to do. Thank you for watching.